Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. So today I'll show you something basic. So we're going to be changing colors today and it'll show you how you can connect different threads so that your work looks nice and so that nobody can notice that you actually changed threads. So I'll show you two versions that you can do. Both are going to be super stable, so you can be sure it won't do anything weird. So you see here that I cut it off, but you can also leave the rest basically hanging in there. So if you don't want to cut it off, you can just weave it in. So stay tuned for a short and sweet instruction. So first version comes now. We'll start with a little loop. So just put the thread over the other section like this. So like a little loop. And then take the other color or thread and go through the loop under the longer section of the blue thread. And back again, and here through the loop again. So super simple, the loops just go into one another. And here is the first loop laying over itself like this. And you can see the purple isn't like that, so this one is just going through. So kind of under and then back. So now let's pull. And you see it nicely when you pull the blue that crosses itself. And you see now that both threads keep getting tighter the more you pull, and we can now shorten the two ends. And we get a super stable knot. This second version, we are starting with parallel threads. Take the top one that goes from right to the left and go under the bottom thread and do a loop like this. So a super simple knot actually. Pull tight. And do the same with the bottom thread now, so go around the other thread and do a knot, pull tight. And now you pull together. And we have the rest that we can shorten. And this is also super stable and tight, so both versions are equally simple and you can pretty much choose whichever you like better or whichever you maybe find easier. And I hope you guys enjoyed this basics video. Feel free to let me know if there are other basics you would like to see or maybe different projects. The comment section is below as always. Feel free to post any questions or suggestions you might have. Shoot us a thumbs up and see you later. Bye!